I'm going to reveal the secret behind the low revenue on AdMob today. Just make sure to follow the step guide I'm going to show you today so that you can earn endlessly on this AdMob. Firstly, before you even start of creating an application, think about what type of app you are creating, what type of user are you expecting to use your app, and what type of the rate of number you want user to be using your app per day. Firstly, before you can have a lot of user, your app must be in a store, either Google Play Store, Amazon Play Store, APK Pure, and there's so many store you can use. If you are using Google Play Store, just know that you earn endlessly on this AdMob. But for those of you that does not have the revenue to create the account on Google Play Store Council, you can just choose using the Amazon App Store. And for those of you that doesn't know how to use this Amazon App Store, I've already made a post about this, so go back and check. You saw it there. So just check the link in the description. It will take you to the page you are seeing on the screen right now, or go to your Google or any browser you are using, then type AdMob, then click on the first link you saw, then it will show this page as well. So the first thing you have to do is to click on the get started button on the screen, and it will show this page as well. This thing is get more out of AdMob. This is just to send you a notification whenever they improve something in this AdMob. So I will advise you to put it in yes. Your payment, you have to send to your country, your payment method territory. So this will be Nigeria as for mine. So you can choose your country as well. Then the term of condition, you can read it, then click on this I accept agreement, then click on the start using AdMob. And after that, you have to input your phone number to verify that it is you. So now let me put my phone number, and as you can see, this is my phone number. So I'm going to copy this and paste it in the AdMob. So guys, okay, you have to choose either text message or voice call. So I prefer text message, guys. Okay, click on send, and within a minute you will receive a code. Then you have to input the code you receive on your mobile phone to this verification code space here. And once you're done inputting the code, click on the submit button over here, and it shows that your account is being reviewed. So click on continue to AdMob. So this your account will take up to 24 hours, and in some cases it take 2 week to be verified. So you just have to wait for 24 hours before they verify your account, and by waiting you can just start creating your ad unit. And before that, you have to fix this payment issue that it shows on the screen right now. So click on this fixed. So it will show the payment page, and for those of you using a mobile Android phone, it may not show you at the top here. So just take the notification at your right hand side. So click on this notification icon, then you also find this thing there. So just click on the fix it, and it will also show the same page. Now is to click on the add payment account. So after you click on this, your payment information will be loaded. Then you have to fill in all this information. So watch me carefully as I fill this information. The first thing here that says the account type, you have to put this as individual, and the your account name, this has to be your real name because this is the payment method. So you have to put your real name, but for now I'm putting, this is not actually my real name, but this is a text thing. So let me put my tech name. Okay, an address, you have to put input your address. So and after this, sub is your city, input your city, and as well the city as well is still the same thing. And if you have a sub, you can input yours. And the postal code, for those of you that does not know about this, you can click on this thing here and click on here. After you click here, so it will automatically generate your location, as you can see Nigeria. Then look for your state and your local government, then you find your zip code here. So you just have to copy the zip code and get back to the payment method. And once you're done with this, it's the next thing is your state. You have to fix your state as well, and your phone number is optional, so you can leave this blank, and also you can put your phone number there. So and click on continue. So this is your account information that you just enter. So your account has been saved successfully. And remember guys, make sure you fix this issue, this payment issue like I just did. Make sure you fixed it. If you didn't fix it and you create this account, your account won't be approved. So guys, note that this is one of the reasons most accounts are getting disapproved by AdMob. So make sure you fix this issue. Okay, now once you're done with this, so now let's create our ad unit. So let's see how this work out. And note, in the future, when you are about to remove your money, withdraw your money from this AdMob, you have to verify your identity, as you can see here. But for now, this is not compulsory, but only once you are ready to receive your payment, that is when you will need that. So guys, so while waiting for them to approve our app, let's create our first application by clicking on this app that I just did. So then it will shows this page like this. So you have to add our first tab. As you can see, add your first tab, click on this. You have to choose either Android or iOS. So but our app is Android, and is our app listed in a supported Play Store. As you can see, these are the list of the supported app store, but our app is not yet on any app store: the Oppo app store, the Amazon app store, the Google Play Store, Samsung Galaxy. But our app is not yet on this store, so we have to click on no on this checkbox, click on no and click on continue. Okay, this is your app name now. You just have to input the app name of your application, the name of your application rather. So the name of my application is tutorial, for those of you watching my last tutorial about app creator 24. So and our app is successfully being added. So click on done now. So our app has successfully been added. So you can click on this add unit. So create your first ad unit. Let's click on this get started. The first one here is the banner. So click on this banner. You can give this ad unit name any name you wish, so you can remember whenever you are trying to edit thing in it. So I'm using banner as well. So as you can see here, there are two code here. The first one is the our app ID, which I just copied. So you have to go to your Applicator 24, or if you are using Android Studio to create your application, just to make sure you watch others tutorial, because I've not make any tutorial about this Android Studio. So you can search it online how you can place your ad mob on your Android Studio application. But for you using Applicator 24, after you copy the app unit, so go to the general info, then come to the name and icon, then at the last, second to the last, when you scroll down, just scroll down, and second to the last, paste, you have to paste the app ID we just copy, then click on save. You have to generate this app, as you can see on the screen, click OK. So guys, now go back to your AdMob, then also copy the banner ID unit as well. So we've copied the banner as well. So come to this ad section. I said I will talk about this. This is the right time. So this is the banner, as you can see, banner ads. And the first one is the add mob ad unit. Just paste it there. The second one is the intensive ads. So click on the create another ad unit. So this is the second ad unit. Just click on select. So you have to give this name as well. So I'm putting in random names. Create ad unit as well. Now you don't need the app ID again because you've already copied it. So you're only copying the code. So now let's go to the app 24, the second one that says test here as. So paste it here. And also we are looking for the app opening ID, as you can see here, AdMob app opening ID. So now let's go back to this AdMob, create ad units. So let's create app opening. As you can see, app opening. So can also give this name. This age shows when the user open the application. So you don't need the app ID as well. Copy the code only. So go there and paste the code here. The AdMob app opening app ID. So just copy it here. And you have to don't let it shows, maybe like you don't put it in every 2 page. I would recommended you putting it shows every 4 page. If it shows every 2 page, they may got your account bound. So 4 page is, I think, is okay. I know this one to make sure it's very long the way I put it. So don't just make it show frequently. If it show frequently, it may cause AdMob to disable your account. This is one of the reasons AdMob disable users account. So the native ad as well, just repeat the process as I did, including the rewarded ads as well. Just repeat it, then copy the ad unit, then paste it on the space provided for this ad unit. So after you done pasting it, so in this internal you can put it in show always. So and the message before video is like, if you leave it blank, it will show the default message as what you see on the screen, but if you input something, it will show what you inputted. So that's what the difference between that. So once you're done with this, so just wait for a week. Oh, I'm just kidding, it's just 24 hours. After 24 hours, your account will got approved by AdMob, then you will receive a notification from your email. So let's wait for 24 hours. And now it's 24 hours. Let's check if our account is approved. Wow, our account is being verified. So now let's go to our application. Let's see if the ad is showing or not. So guys, after that you have to regenerate your application and download it again. So I've regenerated mine, so I have to download it again and install it. As you can see on the screen, the app is been updating. Okay, now it's done. So now let me open the application. Let's see if the ads is showing properly or not. As you can see, the ads that show when I launched the application is the app opening that we set, if you can still recollect. So this is the ad that is showing because I set the app opening ads. So let's click on continue to app. So let's see if the banner ads are showing. So let me click on this section. Let me see if the banner is showing or not. And so guys, this is the banner has, as you can see, this ad is showing in our application now, and the way users are using the application, this ad will still continue to be showing to your application, and you'll be earning your money on your AdMob. So guys, I think this is very interesting, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and more lessons is coming about how you can gain more users on your application without even posting your app to any store, either Google Play Store, Amazon Store, or any other store. So guys, don't forget to subscribe as I said earlier, and see you on next tutorial. You can also comment what you thought about this thing, or what you are suggesting I should teach you about this thing, or any other thing that related to app creating, affiliate marketing, and AdMob. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next tutorial, and bye.